A beautiful cotton boho dress. I love the print and the colors. Beautiful. I like it when the straps on a dress are close together at the bust line like this one is. It makes a more feminine look. I just love the colors on this dress. It's just beautiful and so unique and vintage. The bust stretches to a 36 max, can be worn at a 34 of course, 28 waist. Oh, this is so cool, and check out that beautiful shade of blue there. It's just gorgeous. Very, very special dress. Flexibility up here at the bust. Mint condition. Special light